So in this video I'd like to explain to us what uptrend market is. I told us last time that market has three ways it moves. It moves as a sideways market, that is ranging market, contractions or consolidation when market is contracting. So at that time the market is not upward neither downward, it's just at a range, forming a range. So though he respects support and resistance, but the market is within a contraction. We call it contraction market. So but today I want to talk on this video, talk about what we call uptrend market. Now we have uptrend market, we have downtrend. Now when they say market is an uptrend market, it means that the market is moving toward a bullish direction, is a buying market. And that word we use for buying market is long. The market is, if you want to trade, you say go long. So the market is upward, in upward direction. So now, but there's something you ought to really understand in uptrend market to enable you have a successful trading. What you ought to know that when market is uptrend, it moves in a higher highs and higher lows. It moves in higher high or higher lows. These are the hallmark of uptrend market. Now, if you can look at this market very well, you see capital H in this number one where the arrow is pointing down. This place is the highest level the market reached. It's a core high. Now after that the market went back and there was a decline. The market went back and forms a low, a higher lows. At this black arrow here, the first black arrow, now it moves again and closes above the previous higher highs. So that is why it's called higher high, because before this first number one higher high, it closes higher than the previous higher high. So on this number two now, the market closed at higher than the previous higher highs. So then it went down again and forms a higher lows, and it moves again and forms in this number three a high, and this high closes above the previous higher highs. So that shows that the market is uptrend. Now as this market is moving, you can see that this market is respecting support and resistance. It's respecting support and resistance. So and it moves again and forms higher lows and closes ahead of the previous higher high. So in this number four, then it moves again and closes below at what they call higher lows and move and closes above the previous higher high, which is number four. Now what I want to really understand in this market is it. This market is an uptrend market. So when market is uptrend, it is not advisable to trade it from the selling direction. Now what it means that you will look for a price action. What is price action? The candlestick formation. Like in this first higher lows, you look for any opportunity in higher low to place for the market, because the market is in a buying direction. Because if you play this market in a selling direction, there is every tendency that you will lose if you are not watching the market. So in this kind of market, what do? You target every point, every opportunity at the higher lows. Now in this first arrows, the first black arrow at the higher low, you will see that there is a bullish engulfing at this place where I created the box. You see there's a bullish engulfing that formed here. So once you see such a things, you cannot enter the market after the bullish engulfing forming. Now in the second arrow, the black arrow at the higher lows, you see another formation here. Yes, another formation. There's a heraldic bullish that formed here. So if you have a better understanding of price action, you will know that this market, this is a entering point where you can enter the market. So if you go to the third arrows on the higher lows, you also see another a candlestick price actions that you can give you an opportunity to enter the market, just like that. If you look at the fourth one, is like that. So this is what you ought to know about the uptrend market. So when we'll go to the live market, live chart, you will discover that this market, every time market is uptrend, it will respect support and resistance, especially the trend line. So you know, when you draw trend line with this now, you will discover that it will touch almost these four higher lows, meaning that the market respects it. Any uptrend market will respect trend lines. So this is what you ought to know at this basic level in uptrend market. So I will show you the next video on the chart, showing you using a trend line. All right, thank you.